Did you know that you can now reach Bantayan Island from Mactan in just 40 minutes? That's right, say goodbye to the lengthy land and boat journey from Cebu's mainland and hello to more time exploring the breathtaking beauty of Bantayan Island. Starting this week, 𝗕𝗄𝘆's Travel and Tour Services Incorporated or KATTSI is making it easier than ever to visit Bantayan Island as it now offers flights from Lapu-Lapu City's General Aviation to Bantayan Island, departing from 10:30 a.m. to 11:10 a.m. and returning from Bantayan Island to Lapu-Lapu from 12 p.m. to 12:40 p.m. every Friday and Sunday, all for just 888 pesos per trip. The inaugural charter flight touched down at Bantayan Island Airport on Wednesday, August 28, 2024, greeted with a spectacular water cannon salute, a classic aviation tradition. The first passengers were welcomed with vibrant performances and the warm hospitality of Bantayanons alongside government officials and members of the Mactan Cebu International Airport. The flights are operated by Leading Edge Air Services Corporation or LIASCOR, a wholly owned subsidiary of ACDI Multipurpose Cooperative.
Dako kayo ang posibilidad sa turismo dire. In fact, daghan na kayong mga construct karon na mga hotels at saka mga villas. Eventually, this will be one of the top-notch destination and we would like to be a part of that. Kaya kami umasa na mulampos kining atong project, nanginahanglan kami sa tabang sa tanang stakeholders nato.
MCIAA General Manager Julius Neri Jr. described this milestone as a game changer for Cebu's tourism and economic sectors.
It will change the landscape of Bantayan. It will drive the economy. It will boost tourism. And it will uplift the livelihoods of all Bantayanos.
Santa Fe Mayor Itamar Espinosa expressed his joy, calling it a dream come true for Bantayanons, a sentiment echoed by Cebu's provincial board members.
This is a dream come true, not only for us Islahanon, but to all who is to come to our beautiful island of Bantayan.
Just an hour ago, we were in the shores of Mactan Island, but now we're here in Bantayan Island, and thanks to 𝗕𝗄𝘆's Travel and Tours, to General Aviation and to the rest of the officials of the companies that are operating the flight. No, you cannot miss a historic moment like what we have today.
Cebu Provincial Governor Gwendolyn Garcia extended her gratitude to KATTSI and LIASCOR for making affordable and convenient travel to Bantayan Island a reality and encouraged support from all stakeholders to sustain this service.
On the part of the Cebu Provincial Government, we will continue full support for these flights from Mactan to Bantayan and vice versa. Accessibility is always key in improving and hoping to soar as a prime tourist destination. You know, the less time it takes for domestic and international tourists, the better. And so we must support this.
To book your flight, contact the numbers on screen or reach out to 𝗕𝗄𝘆's Travel and Tours accredited partner agencies. This has been Andrea Patania Matthew for MyTV Cebu.